Are you tired of yam spoiling quickly after you bring it home or even after cutting and using part of it? It's so frustrating to waste perfectly good yam because it starts to go bad too fast. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 easy and effective ways to preserve your yam and keep it fresh longer. Plus, stay with me till the end because I have a special bonus tip that will completely change how you store your yam at home. Don't miss it. Alright, I traveled yesterday and I came in with these 3 goods. I bought plantain, very mature one, and also came with some yams. Let me pull them down. These are the yams that I'm going to use for the demonstration. As you can see, this yam was newly harvested and very fresh. And because this variety of yam is a very good one, and yams that are very good that you love to eat will easily go bad. I don't know why that has been my experience. If you have been experiencing this too, let me know that in the comments. So I come here to demonstrate different ways of preserving your yam. All right, I'm going to use number 1, using lemon. I'll use lemon, but take note, I promise to give you a tip. Before you use your yam, before you use your knife, make sure the knife is very neat. If you use a knife that is contaminated, your yam is going to go bad. So because the yam was neatly plucked, it was not roughly plucked that like the ones I used to see in the market where they would just cut it anyhow. So I need to just cut it to demonstrate to you how it will look like. So I'm going to use lemon. Lemon, you can use lime. Lemon and lime, they work the same way. Just use it to rub the cut path, like you see me demonstrate, and that's all. So you keep your yam and it will not go bad. So the same thing with the other one. So let's come to number 2 now. Number 2 is using cinnamon powder. So this yam, I used this yam a few days ago and I want to use it for demonstration. Let me just cut through. As you can see, it's already gently going bad. So I'll just cut it through. I just assume I've just finished using this yam, and I'll demonstrate it now to you by simply sprinkle a thin layer of cinnamon powder over the cut surface of the yam to seal it and prevent decay or spoilage. You can just dip it on the powder like I'm doing, or you sprinkle it, anyhow will work. Ensure it covers it properly. This cinnamon powder is not a real powder because of what I'm using it for, so it's granulated, but you can grind it to powder, so but it still works the same way. So, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate your time. If you are finding this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video with friends and family. It really helps me create more useful tips just like this for you. And now for the third one. This yam also, when I brought it in, I did not use this preservation method to preserve it, and you can see the yam is already going bad. So I will cut it through. Take a look. You see, it's going bad already. I will make sure I cut off all the spoiled parts to prevent this yam from further decay. So I will use number 3, wood ash. Wood ash is readily available if you're in Nigerian. If you make use of coal pot, if you don't have it, you can go to bakery house. Those who still use charcoal, they will give you wood ash. Number 4 is to keep the yams fresh and prevent decay by always storing them where fresh air can circulate, like on a sack-covered table in your balcony like you see me do. When kept in humid, airtight spaces, trapped contaminated air seeps into tiny openings and causes yam spoilage faster. So for here, we have fresh air always blowing around here. So with this preservation method, my yam can stay for months if I didn't finish it. So I don't have, look at it. Look at this area, it's airy enough. Good ventilation for this yam. So will you try and ensure that you did not wash your yam? See, I'm demonstrating to you to show that we still have sand on the yam. Ensure that the yams are not washed. The sand on the yam also serve as preservatives. I hope you will try any of this method. Let me know in the comment the method you have been using before at home. Thanks for watching. Try these yam preservation tips at home and keep your yams fresh longer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Nigerian cooking hacks. Bye.